Hello y'all, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make your moringa oil. Yeah, so these are the ingredients. You're going to need moringa powder. I got this from Yes Moringa Powder in Takrade. Your coconut oil. Yeah, I bought it as well, but it's also produced right here in Ghana at Takrade. You get your bowl for this recipe. The moringa powder is right here. This sachet was in this container. But I have made my moringa oil here. I am now going to strain it. You all can see. I use coconut oil. You can use coconut oil or olive oil, and I use coconut oil. So I have mine right here. I am going to strain it for you to see. But before that, I want to show you how you can prepare your own moringa oil. So you get your moringa powder. Get your moringa powder. There's the moringa powder. Get some moringa powder and you fetch 3 tablespoons of the powder into the container. 3 tablespoons. Like this. 1. It's even too much. Well, you can prepare it according to how you want your oil. 3 tablespoons. Just so your bag, put it somewhere, and then get your coconut oil. Have 100% natural, cold pressed virgin coconut oil. Yeah, it's produced in Takrade. I don't know if you can see it, but you can use any coconut oil you want to use, okay, or extra virgin olive oil. And then you pour 10. I've used all. You pour 10. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So guys, I was running out of the coconut oil and I needed more to do some other stuff. So I had to switch to add olive oil. This is Bell's olive oil. People call people call it anointing oil. People call it anointing oil, but it's still olive oil. But well, when you're doing yours, you will have to use extra virgin olive oil. But if you don't have extra virgin olive oil and then you have any olive oil available, you can use that one too. So I counted 7 tablespoons of the coconut oil. So I'll have to continue 8, 9, and 10. So after adding the other oils, what you have to do is to stir it for the powder to mix very well with the oil, and then you cover it, set it aside for 2 weeks. Set this aside, leave it to stay for 2 weeks. After the 2 weeks, you rake it and you strain it. So I'm coming to show you how you will strain it. Okay, thank you. Yeah, you can do it during your wash day. Just apply it under your scalp, massage it for like 5 minutes, leave it in for some time. I don't have a specific time for that. Just leave it in for some time, for as long as you want, and then you wash your hair. And trust me, your hair is going to grow crazy. Then, so if you enjoyed this video, kindly like, comment, and if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos, you will be updated. Thank you so much for watching this video. I love you all. I love you. Thank you.